Forgive and Forget, I portrayed a mother who's very loving, very supportive to her. Hindi naman ko masasabing stage mother, pero yung bang possessive. Kung maidi-describe ko lamang ng buong-buo si Sharon, masasabi ko maswerte si Elaine kasi si Sharon, yung totoo totoong magmahal bilang anak. Huwag siya magbabago. Basta kung ikaw nagdadasal, medyo isama mo na lang ako sa pagdadasal mo paminsan-minsan. Tsaka hindi mo naman ako makakalimutan. Ako rin, hindi kita makakalimutan kasi pareho tayo ng birthday, no?
The time na ginagawa namin yung movie na oras-oras, araw-araw, well, I really felt like her own mom. Buong-buo ang pagmamahal ko sa kanya, just like a mother, just like the way I love my children. I even asked my Ate Elaine before na this was still, when I was still single, sabi ko pa nga nun, sabi ko, kung bibigyan niya sa akin si Sharon, hindi na ako siguro mag-aasawa because, you know, I love her so much. And, of course, hindi niya ibibigay.
Acting like a mother to her is not acting at all, you know. You feel close to her because of her very endearing ways. Enjoy ako pagkasama ko si Sharon kasi masyado siyang warm. Masarap maging anak. Ang isang kagaya ni Sharon, malambing, karinyosa, and thoughtful, and wala siyang airing.
I would like to commend her for bringing up Casey. Very humble yung bata. She's very